Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
It's used to do more than just warn the Guam community of a tsunami heading our way. More of these all hazards alert warning sirens will be popping up in the next fiscal year. Guam Homeland Security spokesperson Jenna Blas.
Again, this is a very lengthy process. It was a lengthy process to get the initial 15 up. So we do anticipate it taking some time, but we're working very closely with our federal partners on this.
The island currently has 15 of these sirens. The plan is to get 31 new units up and running.
There's already been multi-agency coordination to do site assessments for different locations across the island for where these can be placed.
Blas says their federal counterparts understand the need to expand the existing system. They are working together to speed up the process to secure the funding needed. Initially, Homeland was to use a $2 million grant that was to be given in phases over the next 5 years. However, the latest threats out of North Korea has piqued interest to get the additional sirens much sooner.
Any types of threats coming from any foreign nations, we want to be able to utilize those sirens for any type of alerts.
Guam Homeland is also beefing up its testing of the sirens. It was once tested quarterly, and the units in place will now be tested every first Tuesday of each month. Blas has this message for those concerned that they did not hear the sirens tested just this past week.
We received a lot of feedback about people that did hear it across the island and those that didn't. And there are so many different factors that come into play, whether you're indoors, whether there's a lot of traffic noise, whether there are impending structures or buildings. And again, we just recognize these sirens as just one form of communication.
A form of communication among others that keeps everyone in the territory in the know.
It's our intention to be able to cover the whole island.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, Guahusi Nick Delgado.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.